Hello and welcome to CreArtive by Nature. My name is Donna. Okay, so due to the current situation, we were allowed to take anything from our home, or if we were able to get out thrifting, and transform it to suit our current needs. I had this sign in my stash, and as you can see, it had fallen apart. So I am just going to take some brown paint and get rid of the white lettering, as I am wanting to distress it, and I'd like the dark brown to show through. I'm going to give it a coat with my favorite heirloom white Rust-Oleum paint. Once it has dried and cured, I am going to be taking a sanding block and distressing the edges of all the lettering. I'm using a nail file to get into those really tight spots. If you're new here, I want to say welcome, and I'd love for you to join my community by tapping on the subscribe button along with the bell to keep up to date with everything I have to share. I'm now going to go in and use more of a coarse grit sanding block to remove more of the paint from the letters. Once you've removed all the paint that you like, you can dust it off. For an added little extra distressing, I am going to be using some distress ink. You can use some stain as well. Just using a makeup sponge and just going over the edges lightly. Once you have the desired look you like, you can allow it to dry. I'm now going to glue the two pieces back together by using some white wood glue and the hot glue gun. And there we go. I think it pops a whole lot more than the previous colors. Okay, for my next DIY, I have these metal baskets and these leftover succulent pots from Dollar Tree. I'm going to give them a coat of my heirloom white Rust-Oleum paint. But before you go and spray paint, remove any labels. Once everything is dried and cured, you can start putting your pieces together. I have this leftover chain from a previous project, and I got that chain from Dollar Tree. I am going to find some pieces that are the same length and join the two baskets together. I'm just using my wire cutters, but use any tool that you have on hand, and I'm just pulling one of the links apart so I can hook it through the basket edge. Once you have a chain on each side, you can close those links up. I'm now going to attach those chains to the upper basket. I am just going to be using a little bit of florist wire. I will be creating a little bit of a hook and threading it through the mesh and connecting the pieces together. Do the same for the other side. I am going to take 2 equal lengths of chain again. I am going to add one extension to another piece. Once you have 2 chains of the desired length, you can pry open one of the links and thread it through the top basket. Once you've attached both lengths of chain, you can use that hook that came with the kit and use it as your hanger. Okay, now on to those cute little pots. I didn't worry about spray painting the edges as those will be covered using some preserved reindeer moss. I'm going to attach the moss using some hot glue. I'm done with the moss and now I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree florals. I am going to snip them down using wire cutters in more manageable pieces. Once you have all those florals snipped, you can just start to add the stems to your little pots. You can feel free to glue these into place. I am not doing that just in case I decide I want to change them up to the seasons. I am going to be using a little bit of glue on these shorter pieces. And here are those cute little pots all done. Now we can start to place the pots in the baskets, making a really pretty arrangement for your summer decor. I absolutely love how this looks. It'll be perfect for our main bathroom.